going to the Christmas market, and this is my outfit.
I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. All of the things you did for me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind.
So I just came home from eating lunch with my friend. We ate burgers, which was really good. I was going to go downtown to shop for Christmas, but it's way too cold. Like, my fingers hurt a lot, so I decided to come back home. But maybe I'll go, like, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. And I got a packet. I ordered 2 pairs of Puma shoes, 2 white pairs. So this is the all white ones. I'm going downtown to buy Christmas gifts, and it's literally the 23rd of December and we have no gifts, so hopefully there's not that many people downtown, but we'll see what I can find. And I broke my mask, so I had to tie a knot, so hopefully that's gonna be okay. But it's so freaking hard. I cannot find anything for my cousins. They're all guys and it's so hard. It's getting very crowded, so I'm gonna do one last store and then leave. So I didn't find anything. Now I'm outside. It's very sunny and beautiful, and I'm just sat there. I think I'm gonna get a coffee and then go back home because I'm really tired right now, and it's really crowded, so there's no point. So I think I might come back tomorrow, and if I don't find anything, I'm just gonna get like clothes, which is the easiest thing to buy for them. So yeah, I'm by the lake now. It's really pretty. I'm gonna show you guys. There's the jet d'eau, which is the landmark of Geneva. So the weather is so nice today. It's really warm actually. So I got my Oreo drink. This is the best drink ever. It's so good. So I'm home now. I didn't find a lot of things. So one thing that I got is this little carousel like photo frame, which is really cute. Then I also got this little mug, which is really cute as well. And then I got this little card and this coloring book. That's all that I found. I didn't want to go for clothes, which is like the last resort. I think with my brother we're gonna paint like some anime painting, like glass painting. So not long ago I tried to do some glass painting like this, which I did a video about, so I'm gonna link it up here somewhere. So yeah, I think with my brother we're gonna do that because all of my cousins are anime fans, so hopefully they like it. So there's one here already done, which I'm gonna give. I really like it. I'm back downtown and it's so crowded now. It's now the 24th of December, so Christmas Eve, and I'm just gonna do some more Christmas shopping. So we'll see if I can find anything. I think I got everything that I needed, and now it's raining. I also got some free wrappers, what do you call it, paper wrappers. It's really pretty. So I'm home now. My room is such a mess. I got a bunch of Christmas gifts. I also got wrappers. These are for the kids. And this one is actually really pretty. I don't know if you can see, but it's very sleek. I love it. I have like 30 minutes to wrap everything. So first thing I got is this big Champion t-shirt. It's very simple, but it feels very comfortable. Got a umbrella. This one is really cute. And I also got a bunch of jewelry, 3 necklaces like these, and then a bunch of earrings. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap everything now. All the gifts for today. I really love the packaging.
Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing when December is.
So I finished painting everything, and so I quickly want to show you guys the gifts I'm gonna give to my cousins. So I have this Yoshi one, which I just finished painting, so hopefully it's dry. Then I have this Ace one. My cousin is coming now, so I have to be. And this Fluffy one, and this Demon Slayer one. And I did a whole video on glass painting, so you can check it out up here. And this one is my brother who did it. So I'm gonna wrap everything now and go to the Christmas party. So I have all of my gifts in there. I'm gonna leave this vlog here and enjoy Christmas with my family. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. And yeah, again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I hope you guys enjoy your time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.